Close that freezer. Why didn't you close that freezer back? Excuse me. Alright, y'all. So now I need something to prop up. There we go. So now we're gonna go. Put these up. Put that one in the bag though. What? Zamora. Alright.
Yes.
Here's some salsa. I'm not sure if it's good or not. I don't know how you tell salsa is good, but looks good. Chili. Alright, we're gonna put fruit in the bag. Tuna. And these. Because the fruit is gonna go like that. We don't even really eat the fruit that much. So everything we eat normally is gonna go in front. Everything we don't eat normally is gonna go in the back. Really? Really? Get out the garbage. Yes. Get out the garbage. Yes, Carolina, yes.
I just made it good. They're trying to get on me. They're trying to get on me.
What is y'all doing? Can you stop messing with stuff? Get in here while y'all sitting there playing. Carolina! Carolina! I'm not supposed to do that with you today. Come on.
The cat chasing me.
Oh, come on. All right, stay in here.
The cat chasing me.
Stay in here. We're not doing that today. You hear me? We're not doing it.
Mama, I can't find me.
Okay, stay in here.
This cat did it.
Whoa! Hey, chill. Welcome, you guys. Y'all see I'm cleaning it out. This is how much stuff came out the cabinet so far. Hey, Zay. When y'all go clean out, Daddy, come here.
Yeah.